Hello guys, this is Dabs. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. I'm so excited to be sharing another video with you, and today's video is quite very short and very personal, and I want to just go into WordPress security. You just have to secure your WordPress by every means possible, and this is one of my website, dabsdigital.com, one of my blogs, and it's just annoying how spammers, hackers just try everything possible to spam, to hack my site. They just want to bring it down, and for a long time I've not really paid serious attention to it, and today I really want to pay serious attention to it, and I just thought I can just show other people how to do this same thing. You just get to see spam comments everywhere, people trying everything possible to just guess my password, guess my username. It's crazy. I just get those tons of spam comments of people trying to sell Viagra on my website, and I just wonder why. It's crazy. I use WordPress security plugin to get myself secured. Maybe I'll do a video around that, how you can use that too, but again, it's just crazy. And once you come down here, you see top 5 IPs have been blocked by this plugin. You see people from United Kingdom, from Romania, from Chile, just trying to access my site, just trying to hack my site. It's crazy, and I wonder why, how. People just trying to guess my username, login, admin, that's it. So I just thought I want to put an end to this crazy thing, and I want to just change my URL completely. So I don't want to even give you a chance for you to be able to guess what URL would take you to my back end. I'll be getting that done with the use of a plugin. So I'll come to plugin, I'll come to add new. The simple truth is that if you are not there now, it's just a matter of time. You would eventually get there. These guys are just everywhere, spamming everything they can get online. Is crazy. So I'll search for a plugin called WPS. So we have the plugin here, WPS hide login. So we're going to be installing this plugin, and I'll be activating it as well. I have this plugin activated, and we just have to come to settings, and we come to general. Alright, so coming down here, we will see that this is a WordPress URL. That's good. But if we come down, you would see that I have my login URL, and I can definitely change this URL. So let me say, for example, I want to change this from dabsdigital.com, from login to dabsdigital.com/dabs, and I just want to give people some redirection. If they try to do / maybe WP admin, where should I take them to? I can just take them to a 404 page, or just take them somewhere else. You can just create a page separately for them. Maybe I might just even create another page telling them, why are you trying to hack my site? Why are you trying to guess my admin username? You will never get it. I can just create a page like that to let them know that you need to leave my blog, my website alone. Sooner rather than later, everybody gets in here. So I have to save this. Okay, so right now let's log out. So as you can see, my backend now loads dabsdigital.com/dabs. So let's see anybody who tries to log in using WP admin. It takes them just to 404 page. It seems what they're looking for does not exist, and I think this is good. But for me, I think I'll create another page specifically to just redirect people to, and just give them a custom message. I can just do something like that, something fun. I really wouldn't like to be landing on 404 pages, especially when I know that people are trying to hack my site. That's not good. But if I load in dabs, and you see that while I try to log in back, I am back to WP admin. I myself alone can see this at the back end. My permalink has been changed, and nobody will be able to access WP admin unless if logged in. Will be able to get them to this place. So this is exactly how to just save yourself lots of stress, lot of hassle, and just give yourself another form of security for your WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, give me a thumbs up and drop any question in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done that. What are you waiting for? Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.